On a Kosch 9 mower, this bearing can be really hard to take off. This is what goes on the drive. Hydraulic pitmanless drive, and this is a real pain to take off. Here's the rest of the bearing. It popped off, and I thought I'd take a video. But I've done this before, and it's been a really big pain. But not long ago, my brother-in-law gave me this Pitman arm puller, and it is the perfect size for taking off this bearing. And I just thought I'd make a video because I was tickled that it worked so well. It pulls right off. As you can see, it does the job. And that's just a Harbor Freight Pitman arm puller, probably $8. Makes life a lot easier. I mean, it doesn't do a perfect job, but it gets it off.